Phillips. Camu fyny. Tafliad hir, y peniad gan Paddy Lacey ac i gefn y rwyd. Elliot Reeves. Chwarter awr o'r gêm wedi chwarae. A'r tîm cartre ar y blaen. Davies, Davies dan bwysau nildio'r meddiant yma Josh Jones. Jones! Chwipo ergyd! Rosian Davies yn nildio'r meddiant. I ben yn I blu. Ond yr ergyd yn unmerthol I do rwyd. Reeves, ben I lawr, ben efo Nash. Reeves, chwipio'r bel y sgwar! Mae'n drydedd gol i'r Fflint. Mae hi'n ail I Josh Jones. A mae'r dwy wedi mynd yn dair o fewn munud. Flint tair, Rhuthun dim. Reeves. Louis Lacey nôl at Elliot Reeves. Reeves, mae'n le'r ochr dde, mae Jake Phillips. Phillips, croeso dal y cynnig cynta! Campus! Campus gan y Fflint. Wyn. Peniad yn mynd efo heibio I Ymbocheli. Wyn! Dyna chi, gol Campus gan Ben Wyn. Y cliriad uniongyrchol, mi oedd y peniad yn wych I fynd efo heibio i'r amddiffynwr. Ac yna i'n gosod sy'n gelfydd I gefn y rwyd. Cyril yn edrych I groesi'r bel ar y cynnig cyntaf Ymbocheli. Oce, cosan go iawn. Ac yna James Owen. Bel yn ôl I fewn y James Owen. Owen! Mae mor hawdd â hynna i'r Fflint. Yr eilydd ar yr egwyl, James Owen, 12 munud o'r ail hanner wedi chwarae. Wyn. Hughes, gosod ti'n ôl I Wyn. Cyffyrddus i'r Fflint. Yn rwygo am ddiffyn. Rhuthun yn racs. Phillips. Mae di o mor hawdd â hynna. Bel I gefn y rwyd. Reeves dwi'n credu gafodd y cyffyrddiad ola. Unwaith eto Jake Phillips yn creu I lawr yr ochr dde. Mae hi'n ail I Elliot Reeves. Mae hi'n 7, y Fflint 7, Rhuthun dim. Lee, as comfortable a victory as they come?
Yeah, it was a good result. It's been coming for a long time in terms of how we attack. The goals were going in quite frequently, and I'd be disappointed not to score a few more. But the start of the game was a little bit sort of a game of chess really to work each other out. But I think when we got to the first, second, and third goal, I think we hurt them, and I think that's when we capitalised and scored even more.
You know, Flint are a good side anyway, but I think we've caught them on a really good day. And if they're at their best and we're not on it, you know, that is the sort of, you know, scoreline that might happen. But we know in that changing room that that's not Ruthin. That hasn't been us all season. You know, we know we've got a lot more to give than that. The players are hurting in there. You know, some of them been asked to do jobs out of position today. You know, a lot of things have happened, but that doesn't make the result acceptable. You know, so we're all itching to put that one right as quick as we can.
Ie, buddugoliaeth cyffyrddus fel ti'n dweud, ond nathon ni wneud o'n hawdd i'n hunain dwi'n meddwl. Nathon ni gael goliau ddian yn y gêm ac oedd o'n perfformio proffesiynol trwy gydol y gêm. Nathon ni ddim stopio hanner amser oeddwn ni'n 4-dim I fyny. Nathon ni gario ymlaen I chwarae ac cael y goliau yn yr ail hanner I wneud o bach yn haws eto.
It makes your goal difference a world of good, considering how close things are at the top of the table.
Yeah, that's what we said at half-time. You could hear me having a go at them during the game because sometimes when you go 3-4-0 up, you can be a little bit complacent, and they're not aware of obviously the goal difference type of things. As a manager, I am, and I just said stick to your principles, do it right, because ultimately, if we can get a few more goals, it knocks their best down their goal difference.